Welcome to my channel, Learn with Teacher Ali. Hello children, our topic for today is about reading. And then after that, we are going to answer some questions that are related to our topic. If you are ready, let's get started. Short stories with questions. Our house. Our house is not so big, but it is lovely. We cook in the kitchen. We watch TV in the living room. We eat in the dining room. We sleep in the bedroom. Our garden is nice. It is full of beautiful flowers. I love our house. Children, it's your turn to read. It's question time! What do they do in the kitchen? A. Sleep, B. Cook, or C. Watch TV? The correct answer is B. Cook. What do they do in the living room? A. Eat, B. Sleep, C. Watch TV. The correct answer is C. Watch TV. Where do they sleep? A. In the bedroom, B. In the kitchen, or C. In the garden? The correct answer is A. In the bedroom. My cousin. My cousin is Jenny. She is 8 years old. Yesterday was her birthday. I gave her a nice gift. It was a pink dress. We ate delicious cake and ice cream. Her birthday was so fun. Children, it's your turn to read. It's question time! What is the name of her cousin? A. Jenny, B. Sarah, or C. Emily? The correct answer is A. Jenny. How old is she? A. 7 years old, B. 8 years old, or C. 9 years old? The correct answer is B. 8 years old. Why was yesterday fun? A. They went to the park. B. They ate delicious cake and ice cream. Or C. They watched a movie. The correct answer is B. They ate delicious cake and ice cream. Jam and Ram. Jam and Ram are twin sisters. They both like to draw pictures. Yesterday, they drew pictures for their brother Bam. It's his 8th birthday. Children, it's your turn to read. It's question time! Who are twin sisters? A. Pam and Sam, B. Jam and Ram, or C. Bam and Pam? The correct answer is B. Jam and Ram. What do they like to do? A. Play games, B. Sing songs, or C. Draw pictures? The correct answer is C. Draw pictures. Who did they draw for? A. Their brother Bam, B. Their friend Sam, or C. Their cousin Pam? The correct answer is A. Their brother Bam. How old is Bam? A. 7 years old, B. 8 years old, or C. 9 years old? The correct answer is B, 8 years old. The fat man. Dan is a man. Dan is a fat man. He has a hat. Dan is in the car. Children, it's your turn to read. It's question time! Who is the man? A. Sam, B. Dan, or C. Ben? The correct answer is B. Dan. What does Dan have? A. A coat, B. A hat, or C. A cat? The correct answer is B. A hat. Where is Dan? A. In the house, B. In the car, or C. In the park? The correct answer is B. In the car. Good job, everyone! Thank you for watching! Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for you to be updated on our latest videos. See you on our next lesson. Goodbye!